Chapter on If one does not embrace Islam truly, but does so by compulsion or for fear of being killed, then that man is not a believer. According to the statement of Allah Almighty, the Bedouins say, "We believe." Say, "O Muhammad, peace be upon him, you believe not, but you only say we have surrendered in Islam." Quran chapter 49 verse 14. And if they had embraced Islam truly, sincerely, their Islam would have been as is referred to in the statement of Allah Almighty. Truly, the religion with Allah Almighty is Islam. Quran chapter 3 verse 19. And whoever seeks a religion other than Islam, it will never be accepted of him, and in the hereafter he will be one of the losers. Quran chapter 3 verse 85. Narrated Sa'd, may Allah be pleased with him. Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, distributed something amongst a group of people while I was sitting there. But Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, left a man whom I thought the best of the lot. I asked, "O Allah's Messenger, why have you left that person?" By Allah, I regard him as a faithful believer. The Prophet, peace be upon him, commented, "Or merely a Muslim." I remained quiet for a while, but could not help repeating my question because of what I knew about him. And then I asked Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, "Why have you left so and so?" By Allah, he is a faithful believer. The Prophet, peace be upon him, again said, "Or merely a Muslim." And I could not help repeating my question because of what I knew about him. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "O Sa'd, I give to a person while another is dearer to me for fear that he might be thrown on his face in the fire by